Hello everyone, welcome back to Natural A2 TV. It is so good to have you back on my channel. And you're probably wondering, well, did she eventually get her dreads? Because she said she changed her mind and she was gonna go, just go all natural and do twists and leave it at that. Well, I just want to give y'all an update. I kept my twists in for about 2 weeks. And because I like to every so often spray my scalp and my hair with my little aloe vera juice concoction, it frizzed up so bad. It was just so frizzy that I was really afraid that it was gonna lock. So I came up with a better way, and I'm gonna continue to tell you guys about what I decided to do, and I reveal to you what this is. It is my hair, just so you know. But I want to say this before I go any further. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button if you like the video, and hit the notification bell for every video update. You will get every video if you hit that notification bell. All right, yes, so my hair, this is my hair, by the way, but I decided to go ahead and start back doing African threading or African threads. And the reason being is because, one, I believe it's a really good protective style. Two, I believe that it keeps my hair stretched and my ends from kind of coiling back on itself. And three, it looks nice. Four, it's low maintenance. Now, mini twists are good in itself as well. The only problem I found doing the mini twist is because I like to spray my hair every morning or every afternoon, the hair was getting very frizzy. I installed these African threads, and I basically plaited the African thread or braided the African threads into my natural hair. And I want you guys to see, and I've actually got some compliments of my hair. People think I'm dreaded, and I'm not. So I figured out that I'm going to start wearing my hair like this. And by the way, when I spray it, I can spray it and I don't have to worry about extreme frizzing up, and I can be treating my scalp every single day without any problems. So that's the good thing. Now, I am going to do a tutorial on how I install my African threads, so you guys can see exactly what I do. I do use yarn, and I've always used yarn. I've never ever used sewing thread. Or thread. I say thread, but sewing thread. I've never used sewing thread. A lot of people do that. They just kind of get so many pieces of the thread. They measure the thread, and they put together about 5, 6, 10 of those things. So I figure, well, why do that? Yarn is more durable. Yarn is a little more protecting of your hair. So that's why I use yarn. So this is African threads, and I'm going to get up close so you guys can see. Now, some of y'all really think I have fooled a lot of people. They really think I'm wearing dreads, and these are not dreads. Again, I am going to be wearing my hair like this for the duration of my hair growth cycle. I'm going to try to, again, wash it. I do wash my hair every week, by the way. I use soap nut shampoo, but I'm going to try to redo these every 3 weeks, every 4 weeks. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that. So we're going to be going step by step through this process because my hair is growing. Sometimes it tends to want to shed a little more than other times, but it is growing. It's just that I'm trying to keep myself from dabbling into my hair, low maintenance. So let me let you guys see what I have so far. And like I say, this is all me, except I do have probably about 2 to 3 inches, about this much of the threads that go past my natural hair, about this much, okay? But but I got it embedded in there so good that you can't even tell where it stops. I can see where it stops, but I don't think I'll be able to, it'll be able to pick up on the camera. But again, I'm gonna get close so y'all can see. This is a very good alternative to those that want to do dreads, but they're not sure. This is a perfect alternative. So you won't get dreads and go through the ugly phase, as they put it, for months and then decide, I don't like this, I don't want dreads anymore, I want to go back to my hair. So by this time your hair is probably starting to lock and, you know, get all mingled together, and then to have to undo that process, you know, you're going to basically be damaging your hair unless you got a really super good conditioner. I mean, with super slip that you can kind of get all that from being untangled or interlocked or whatever after 5 months, and then you decide to change your mind. If you get this super shampoo and conditioner with slip, you probably can get away with getting your hair back to the way it was without damaging it by just trying to comb all the tangles out. But this is a better way for you that are contemplating, like me I was, but now I realize I can wear my hair with these African threads and my hair can still look gorgeous and grow because I'm maintaining my scalp. And by the way, I do use my Kitty Wild Grow Jelly. So this is my Kitty Wild Grow Jelly, and I use this on my scalp once a week. I only need it once a week. Also, I noticed something very key. That's why I know this stuff is good and it's working. This is something I used to use years ago, but because petrolatinum was kind of no in the natural hair care community, I stopped putting the petrolatinum in it. But I'm back to my old concoction that I made well over 20 years ago. And one thing I did notice is that my part, over time, I was noticing my part was starting to spread a little bit. And when you're a certain age and you're going through hormonal changes like menopause and just all kinds of hormonal up and downs, if you've had children, your postpartum hair sheds, you're going to experience a lot of hair shed, especially after having babies, you know, around the edges, sometimes the middle part of your head. Anyhow, all this is just contributing to the thinning. I noticed ever since I started back using my old concoction, my old hair growth remedy, I noticed my part has, all those hairs have filled back in and my part is very narrow. If you have a very narrow part, that's a good thing. If your part is so spread apart, you may have some significant hair thinning and you need to get that checked. You know, there could be some underlying health issues that could be causing this. Sometimes it could just be bacteria on the scalp. You know, your scalp has to maintain a certain pH between, I think, 4.5 to 5.5. And if it's not being maintained in an acidic environment, it just really makes room for bacteria. And I found with my Kitty Wild Grow Jelly, I have some ingredients in here that not only help your hair grow, but it protects the scalp and gives it the pH balance, and also prevents microorganisms from just having havoc on your scalp. But getting back to the part, I want to show you guys real quick. I want y'all to see how healthy this part is. A few months back, like I said, it started to spread, and I honestly wish I would have had a before picture. I may look in some of my old videos and see if I can find any videos where my part was just kind of starting to widen or thin out. But wow, I just noticed it when I did my threads, my African threads. Wow, I was like, yeah, this wild grow stuff is working. It worked years ago. I had long tailbone length hair, and I let the petrolatinum go because of this. My formula worked then and it's working now, and voila. So yeah, and if you're interested in getting some of that, by the way, it'll be a link in the description box. But yeah, so once a week, I just put some of this actually on my scalp. You only need it once a week. I put it on my scalp with these African threads in it, and that's it. I do have an oil for those of you that do not like petrolatum that you can put on your scalp twice a week. And I'll link that in the description box as well. And sometimes if I feel like my scalp needs a little more lubricant, I will use that, which has green tea in it, peppermint and all that, which is very stimulating to your follicles, increase blood circulation, yada yada. So yeah, I am happy with this. Yeah, this is it, girls and guys. If you want to go dreads, you can go dreads. But if you know for sure in your mind that you have doubts, I would recommend you do African threading. And the benefits of African threading is, again, very similar to having dreads, except there are more benefits to African threading. African threading, you can spray your hair is protected. You increase the length, your regular length of your hair, and the threads protect and lengthens your hair. And then the great benefit of being able to wash your hair once a week, and also when you're ready to rethread, you can take these out and reinstall. So I think that's my phone. I think it's time to go. I am going to have to let y'all see the results in the next upcoming weeks. My hair is about this length, but over time, I'm going to probably start lengthening, making the threads a little longer as my hair is growing, getting the threads longer and longer. And once I achieve the desired length of the threads, then I can probably take them out and do a length check and kind of blow my hair out a little bit. I do want to get the Rev Air eventually, so I won't have to be damaging my hair when I'm trying to blow it out. I can use the Rev Air, get a nice little length, and possibly do maybe do a silk press. I don't know. I'm really happy just to do a blowout on my hair. So, but yeah, so this is it, y'all. This is it. And if you have any interest of any of my products, they're down in the link below. If you're interested in wanting to know my progress over a period of time, which I'm going to do a series of just doing African threading, and I may have some recipes along the way and let you guys see. So again, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell and follow me, because guess what? We're going to go on this hair care journey for many of y'all out there that just don't have time to be doing your hair, and you want this look. You want this look, but you want to make sure it's threaded, African threaded, and not dreaded. All right, African threaded and not dreaded. So I'm going to wrap this video up until next week, guys. I just want to say peace and love to you all. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So until next week, I'll see you guys later. You guys take care and God bless you.